Small channels. Do this to reach 4,000 hours of watch time. Let's be honest, it's hard. It's hard to get 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. It can take what feels like forever, and it could be, well, frustrating. But what if there was a more simple way to achieve 4,000 watch hours? Again, simple, not easy. I'm going to share 5 strategies that you can use to quickly achieve 4,000 watch hours, avoid stress, and start growing your YouTube channel. First, let's talk about your niche. Niche. What do you say? Let me know in the comments below. Do you say niche or do you say niche? This whole niche thing can get confusing and frustrating, so I'm going to set the record straight right here. If you're a small YouTube channel and you're just starting out, yes, you need a niche. You need to speak to a specific audience, because if you want to build loyal fans, have that loyal audience, and create a raving community, you need a niche. This could be gaming, tech, fitness, fashion, product reviews, beauty. There's a wide variety out there, but I'm curious about you. What niche are you in? What niche do you speak to? I'll end this strategy with one of my favorite sayings. If you aim to help everyone, you end up helping no one. Next, let's talk about what content to make. One of the most common questions I get is, what content should I make? What content should I be posting? My answer is simple, and it comes down to 2 crucial questions. Who are you helping, and why should someone care? The reason these 2 questions are super important is because they will answer every single question you have about what content you should be making. For example, take this video. The who behind this is someone like you, someone who has a small YouTube channel under 1,000 subscribers. The why behind this is because you want to get 1,000 subscribers faster and meet one of the requirements to begin monetizing your channel. When it comes to building an engaged community and an audience that actually cares about you, you're going to start getting those comments like, oh my gosh, I feel like you're in my head, or oh my gosh, I feel like you know exactly where I'm at and what I was searching for. That's exactly what your content should be doing for the audience you're creating for. Become super clear on who you're speaking to and why they should care about you. And not just care about you, but understand why you are the answer to their problems. Consistency is the next strategy. This is by far the most underrated component of everything. Too many channels don't have a consistent upload schedule, or they post only when they feel like it. Let's be honest, they go days, weeks, months without showing up or without posting a video. This is a massive issue that most creators are facing, and it's hurting them more than they think. If this is you, listen up. We've all heard that consistency is key, but why is this so important when it comes to your YouTube channel? Being consistent is a metric that YouTube pays attention to, but it's also something your audience is paying attention to. If you tell your audience that on Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern, you'll post a YouTube video, your audience will become accustomed to you showing up at that time. Let's say Monday comes around and you don't show up, but instead you post on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Well, now your audience is confused. Is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? Having a consistent upload schedule is crucial because it builds credibility and keeps people returning to watch more of your content. Now let's talk about data. Using data gives you an unfair advantage. YouTube analytics are great. They give you an idea of what's working, what's not working, like your click-through rate, your watch time, all of that. But are you using your analytics to your advantage so you can create what your audience is interested in? It's important to understand how your videos are performing or not performing, because maybe you need to change the plan, or maybe you need to keep going. If you want to achieve those 4,000 watch hours, it's crucial to understand what your audience wants. If you're not sure what video to post next, here's a little secret. Go to your analytics and check out the research section. Under your viewers searched, you'll be able to see what your audience is searching for on YouTube and what they're interested in. This will help you create content based on the related interests they have. Understanding what your audience wants is key because it helps you deliver on what piques their interest and gets them to want to watch every single time. Finally, let's talk about what I call easy money. And no, it's not what you think. Making money on YouTube is not easy, but it has become a lot simpler recently with the new changes made. You can start making money with brand-funded and fan-funded content. The reason this easy money strategy is one of my favorites is because, especially if you're a smaller channel, it's a great way for you to get started with monetizing. It's also a great way for you to start pouring into your audience and your community. It allows you to be more consistent on YouTube and actually put out the content you're passionate about, the content that your audience wants. Before you know it, you'll hit those 4,000 watch hours in no time. When it comes to generating 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, I get it. It can feel like it takes forever. It can be so frustrating that you just want to quit. But no matter what, you are not allowed to quit. The only way you can ensure that you won't get those 4,000 watch hours is by quitting altogether, throwing in the towel, and being done. Keep filming, keep uploading, keep showing up. Every video you post brings you closer to your goal. Take these strategies and put them into action. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with dedication and perseverance, you'll get there. I hope this helped, and I'll see you soon.